Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hi and welcome. My name is Megan, and I'm at the one and only Starbucks drive-thru right now. I'm about to get my adult milkshake, my frappuccino of the morning. It's literally 10 in the morning. I'm so hungry. I have no food at the house because I just moved in yesterday. Welcome to my second vlog of the moving series. Katie gets here today, and we have so many crazy, fun errands planned, so I'll be vlogging. I'm really looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to like going to the store and having shit. Hey, hi guys. I just took a quick shower because I was so sweaty and stuff from yesterday, just bringing everything up and building everything. Katie is gonna be here any minute now. I have not seen Katie since y'all have last seen Katie, which was, I believe, my Florida vlog. So it's been a little while. Say hey. It's so fucking short, dude.
When I saw the picture you said, I
stand by it. It's 5'3" and blessed.
It's so cute though.
Yeah, like look at Leggy Lady.
I love her.
Best friends. Look at Winnie, Chonk, Sakura, Bonk. Show them your TV stand that you got.
I thought it was cute that it was black because it would match the mirror, you know?
Yeah, that's really cute, and it's nice and skinny.
Yeah, because I thought another like big white storage thing would look like weird next to each other.
A boot check. This looks just like your room. If you guys remember Katie's room from last
Same room,
time.
different fonts.
It's literally the exact
That's what I thought.
Katie had to get the blue mattress pad for Winnie.
I have to match.
It all has to match.
I have to match. Like, what else is Winnie gonna sleep on? Like something white? Like that would not even. Anyways, how was your first night? What'd you do?
I actually was so freaking crazy, and I stayed up till midnight making things, assembling things, putting things away. You'll see it's actually in my previous vlog to this one. I'll help.
I'm like, are you gonna? It's just got no bounce. It's like so firm.
Damn. Wait, lay down. How does it feel when you lay down?
Flat. It feels so flat.
She literally copied my freaking whole outfit.
I can't believe you would show me when I look like this.
Look like what?
Hair unwashed for 4 days.
Anyways, this is our outfits. You can't see them. Okay, ready? Jump on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, where should we go first?
So where all are we going?
Target.
Whoa.
Aldi. Home Goods. We're going like all over Christiansburg.
I guess let's just go to Christiansburg and see what we run. We should probably go to Aldi last.
I feel like we should go to like Target and Home Goods first. The little leisure places, and then groceries is gonna be kind of a lot. Okay, Home Goods. Just hit the Krogs. And Aldi.
And Aldi. We said double trouble.
So much shit. So exciting. Attic check. Why are we making the shortest person? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
It's just I'm not tall enough.
Katie, come on.
Guys, what if? Oh, just like wait, just like showing your. Wait, I'm scared.
I'm scared. It's like a concert.
Yeah. Rave.
Very so scared. Stop it.
What if something's
Stop
up there?
it.
It's dark. I can't see anything. There's a beam.
Okay.
And
It's the AC. Ooh.
See, that's insulation. That's just insulation. That's
it's not an attic. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna put the hanging shelf here, and then those 2 rattan mirrors.
Oh yeah, I forgot about those.
And then, what do you think about this? This whole wall. Photo wall. Do you think that's gonna be like extreme?
What if you did a photo wall behind your bed, but you put it perfectly centered on your bed, like from here straight up and then here straight up, and then you like left white on either side or something?
Okay. My tall friend's gonna help me. Okay. Literally so slay. And then I'm getting curtains tomorrow that will finish off this side, so that looks super cute. And then I have no idea what's gonna go on this wall yet, but we'll figure it out. Okay, this is what I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna cut this styrofoam up and put it inside of these things, and then stick the flowers through, and then that makes them stay in place. But these are the flowers I got. I'll show you guys once I put them in, but we got this hung up, which looks cute. I still am very lost on what to do with this whole wall though. It's like really bare. And then over here looks kind of cute, but I still feel like there's a lot of wall space that like I could put something. We've made so much progress.
It doesn't look like it from here, but if you stand there and look this way.
We hung this, and she hung her plant, and it looks so good. And then she made a little like nook in the corner, and then she put that mirror on the wall, and then all of that is done. Like honestly, it looks really good.
Yeah, like once I have that stuff off there, I'm just filling these
I
drawers
love the twinkle lights, honestly. I saved all my pictures from my last photo wall and I went through and picked my favorites, and then Katie had this idea which I actually think is going to be better than doing the whole wall as photos, and she said maybe just do like the surrounding parts of my bed, so from here to like the nightstand, just so it's like something behind my head, and then here I think I'm going to put that LED sign that I showed you guys in the last vlog. But I think I'm going to start on the photo wall tonight, so I'll show you guys how much progress I get made. I don't have a lot of tape, literally. This is all I have. So probably is only gonna put up like 3 photos, but that's fine. Okay, my room is so freaking messy, but I just went to Target and finally got sheets because I've been sleeping without sheets for 2 days. We went to Target yesterday and we just walked inside and it was literally like a line of 100 people. So we were like, okay, we're not doing this. So I did a drive up order and I ordered curtains too, and the curtains sold out. So they like refunded me for them, but now I just don't have curtains, which is fine. I think I'm just gonna wait and get curtains at home and then bring them. But I just got white sheets, super basic, just so I can have something on my bed. And then when I was there, I got these shorts. I just thought they were really cute and cozy, and they're kind of like, they're not pajama-y. Like I feel like I could wear them out too because I really underpacked to come here. Then I just got hairspray because I know I'll need it when I like start going to the gym, and hair ties. And I got brown ones because I never use brown, but I feel like brown would look better in my hair. And then I got this scrub. It's like the best scrub ever. My friend Neela got it for me for my birthday. They didn't have any Aquaphor, which is weird. So I just got that to have like by my bed. And then I got 2 more scotch tapes because last night I got started on the photo wall above my bed, so I'm gonna just have it come all the way down right there. Then I got It Ends With Us because everyone was saying to get this, so I'm gonna read this honestly probably every single night. I'm trying to get into a reading thing where I read like at night before bed instead of being on my phone. And then the last thing I got is this coax cable for my TV because I thought my TV could be etherneted into the wall, but it's not an ethernet, it's a coax, so I didn't have one. I am supposed to have a smart TV that can do Wi-Fi, but it doesn't work, so I always have to like ethernet or coax it into the wall, which is honestly really inconvenient. So I'm gonna try that, and then I'm gonna start watching a show while I finish my photo wall and make my bed and do all these little things in my room. I just feel like I didn't get anything really that productive done. Like I got things hung up, but they're not like important things. And then I have like a little wreath thing that I think I'll put above my TV, and then I'll pretty much be done I think with decorating, and it'll just be like unpacking my clothes and stuff, which honestly is gonna take a while because I just don't really know where I want my activewear, because that like is what matters most to me. But I feel like putting them in the drawers is probably gonna be the most efficient just because I want to keep them in their respective containers for like taking back and forth. I don't really know what I have planned today. It's just a Sunday, so I think we really want to get into the downstairs of the house. Like I haven't even showed you guys that yet, but like we have so much to do down there with the kitchen and hanging things down there, and Katie and I want our bathroom to be squared away today, so those are all the things on today's agenda. So I am just going to get into doing the rest of the stuff in my room so that we can all work on the kitchen together once everyone is up and moving. I finally have my fitted sheet and my photo wall is complete. It looks so freaking cute. I decided just to keep it like as a headboard thing, and then Katie gave me her little hanging plant to put in the corner there, and then I'm just gonna have the LED sign go right there, and I feel like that fills the space really well. And then that cord that I literally bought didn't work, so instead I'm Ethernetted into the router, and the router is hiding behind the mirror because that's the only way my TV works for some reason. I don't understand it, but I'm watching Never Have I Ever. I watched this last semester and it was good. It's definitely like a little cheesy, little childish, but it's still good. Never Have I Ever, the show I'm watching. I was actually really embarrassed for you to come in here and Never Have I Ever. Don't eat that donut on my new fitted sheet.
Do you want to know something about these sheets?
Get off.
I was gonna tell you.
What?
They do not stain. I swear. I've spilled so much stuff. And when you wash them, it comes right out in their crisp way again.
Actually, let's go take a look at your sheets then.
Okay, well, my sheets haven't been washed since the storage unit.
Hey,
so.
Katie, chill out.
Why?
Can you chill out, please? No.
You're so wet.
This is so... It gives me the weirdest, scariest deja vu to come in here because this is your room from Blacksburg.
I know.
And, like, I get scared for a minute.
Grabbing Bellinis and brownies. Bellini brownie baddies. I'm really confused by these marks on the screen.
I don't know why, but I can't get them off.
Like, every time I'm like, it's blocking the thing.
But what they're for is so you know that the camera's level. Amanda, say
Oh,
hey to the
that's-
vlog.
Hey. These are the brownies. I'm just gonna bring them all over there. Yummy,
Yummy, yummy. Oh, I got
You
it.
did? I knew you could do it.
Bellini Batty. Show them what your
Ooh.
mama got us. What's her name? Her
Banna. Hey, glasses.
Katie's Banna got these for
Banna.
and we're gonna
Yeah,
crank.
it's Banna because
Yeah, because actually,
I
can you
should
explain
look
that? I don't know.
So when I was 1 or something, like when I was a baby, I was supposed to call her Nana, but I couldn't say Nana, and they were like, oh, you know, it's like Nana, like it rhymes with banana, and then
So
I
you said
like
Banna.
combined it, and I was like, oh, Banna.
Okay, I get it.
And now she is Banna.
Oh, that's cute. I call my aunt Cha-Cha.
But like no one understands because I would never say like my grandma. I'm like, oh, Banna, but they're like, what are you talking
No,
about?
when you would say that a lot.
You weird girl.
Wait, let's all try it. Taste test together.
I have to literally like.
Oh, wait. Okay, let's try it.
I like it.
This Bellini slays.
Yeah.
This is
It's
so good.
That's
I
good.
like it. This is real good.
It's like giving breakfast juice.
Mm-hmm. I think it's a breakfast drink. Like
That's
my mom
so
was like,
good.
oh, for
She's so
brunch.
busy.
I'm like, oh, for dessert.
She got me on the second one. I know, this is really thoughtful. Like a very nice housewarming gift
Such
from
a good
Banna.
gift. And the brownies. The
Banna.
brownies are hashtag gifted from the
I'm gonna send her this video. She's gonna be like, what the heck? What
There's-
movie are we watching?
Are we watching 365?
We're literally watching.
Yeah, we're watching the porno.
She's actually never seen
We're
this
getting
movie.
acquainted. I don't want to make you guys watch the first one if you've already seen it.
I haven't seen it in so long.
It needs to be like a refresher.
Yeah,
Okay.
like, I don't even remember
Yeah.
what happened.
Because I've been telling you details that didn't happen.
This is what we got done today. It looks so nice in here.
July.
Oh
The eye with
yeah.
the mirror, apparently.
And then it's an eye
If you look really
mirror.
close, you can see yourself.
Yeah, there's a mirror in this. And Amanda
might
got
scare you a
like
little
so
bit.
scared. Camera moment. You can see the camera inside. And then we're shroommates.
Roommate.
Getting cozy. I'm gonna lay on the floor because the chair
Is that like
is small.
totally
No,
wrong?
I'm gonna put the
There's
cushions.
a whole room right here.
There's a
No,
whole
because
third
it's
cushion.
okay. Bellini baddies.
Bellini brownie baddie.
I realized that I never filmed an outro for this video, but that is going to conclude the part 2 of the moving series, and I will definitely have another video. We're gonna go to Charlotte IKEA over the weekend, so I'll definitely take you guys along for that, and I'll definitely give you guys like a full tour once we get more settled in. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.